In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename boards in Trello. If your team's projects have evolved, or your naming conventions have changed, updating a board's title is a quick way to keep everything clear and consistent. It only takes a moment, and the change will be visible to everyone who has access to the board. First, open Trello and sign into your account. You can do this in your web browser or the desktop app. Either works the same for this task. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. If you don't see the board you're expecting later on, it's often because you're in a different workspace than usual. Once you're signed in, select the specific board you want to rename. You can click it from your workspace's Boards view, from your recent boards, or from the sidebar if you have it open. If you've starred the board, it may appear at the top for quicker access. Go ahead and open that board so you can edit it directly. With the board open, look to the very top left corner of your screen, right next to the Trello logo and the star icon. You'll see the current board name displayed there in the header. Click directly on that title. This turns the name into an editable text field, so you can make changes right in place without going into a separate settings page. Now, type the new name you want. You can delete the old text completely, or simply overwrite it. As a tip, aim for a title that's concise but descriptive, so teammates immediately understand the board's purpose. Many people like to include a team name, project phase, or a date range to keep things organized over time. Remember, changing the name won't affect your lists, cards, or automations. It only updates the label at the top. When you're happy with the new title, save the changes by pressing Enter on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can click anywhere in the blank space on the board to confirm the update. You should see the new name appear instantly in the header. If you're collaborating with others, they'll also see the updated name right away. That's all you need to do. Open Trello and sign in, choose the board you want to rename. Click the title at the top left beside the logo and star, type your new name, and save it by pressing Enter or clicking Away. Thanks for watching, and keep your boards tidy and easy to navigate with clear, consistent names.